Good evening, everyone. Kindly let me know you can see and if you can hear me properly. Good evening. Very, very good evening. How are you all doing? Is everyone doing great? Good evening. Good evening. Very, very good evening. I hope everyone is doing great. I am Shomita Hajra, and today I am going to take this class, okay, instead of Sheila ma'am. And welcoming you all in this class. I hope you have a lot of fun. Okay? Okay. So, whatever we have done till now, I hope you guys are revising them, practicing them, right? And today we are going to talk about conjunctions. Today we are going to talk about conjunctions, right? Yes, excited? Good evening. I came back as in I came back from where? Good evening. Chalo. Let's start with the class. Summer vacations are still going on, or your schools have reopened? Okay. So, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic today, conjunctions, right? It's one of the parts of speech. I'm sure you know about all the 8 parts of speech, and one of them is conjunctions, right? Nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Those are the parts of speech. And today we are going to talk about one of them, that is conjunctions, and it's very interesting. So before I start giving my explanation, you tell me, what do you know about conjunctions? Type within a few words in the chat box, what is your understanding about conjunctions? What do we know about conjunctions? But and are called conjunctions. Okay. Okay, very good. Yes. But and these words are known as conjunctions. What else? Connecting words. Very good. Very good. So you guys have an idea about conjunctions, right? Okay. So let me see. Let's go do some warm up and then we will like go in the discussion. Okay. So which sentence sounds stronger? I have given you 2 sentences, 2 ways of telling the same thing or talking about the same thing. The first one is, I was tired, full stop, I finished my homework. The first example is, I was tired, full stop, I finished my homework, full stop. And the second example is, I was tired, but I finished my homework. I was tired, but I finished my homework. So what is happening in the first example? You can see that there are different sentences, 2 separate sentences, right? They are separated using the full stop, and there are 2 sentences, isn't it? But in the second example, what we have done is we have combined these 2 ideas. We have combined these 2 ideas into one single sentence. We have combined the 2 ideas into one single sentence using an extra word but. Using an extra word but, right? And how have we framed it? I was tired, but I finished my homework, right? Can you give me such examples? Can you give me 1 or 2 more examples using, like, where you are using another word and you are joining 2 ideas? You are joining 2 ideas, like I can say that I like to eat orange. I like to eat orange and apple. This is one way. I have used and I have joined two ideas. I like to eat orange, I like to eat apple. If I would have separated the sentences, I would have said in that way, right? Um, I am late because I was sleeping. Oh, that's wonderful. So I am late because I was sleeping. So this is also one sentence. If I break this sentence, I would get two ideas. One is I am late, and the other one is I was sleeping. And I have joined these two ideas using this word because, right? So you know that there are certain words that we use to join two ideas. You may say two sentences, two phrases, two clauses, but the actual thing is two ideas. You are joining two ideas into a single sentence so that you have no need to repeat certain words and your like you can make the sentence more interesting. Okay? So that is the use of conjunctions, and that is what conjunctions mean. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, ideas. This is actually the most important point. It joins ideas. When you are joining your words, your phrases, your clauses, what you are actually doing is you are joining ideas. Conjunctions help. Acha, why will you use conjunction? Ma'am, what happens if I don't use conjunction and I write in separate sentences? Is it wrong? No, it is not wrong. But if you are using conjunctions, you are making your sentences smoother, clearer, and more connected. So if I say that I like apple, full stop, and then I say I like orange. If I say like this in separate sentences, it becomes a bit, like firstly, so it doesn't sound good, and anyone who knows fluent English won't speak in this way, and it creates complications. I like apple, I like orange. Array, why will and why will I repeat this I like portion? Why do I need to repeat this portion in certain sentences? That's why we use conjunctions. I would make it in one sentence. I like apple and orange. Okay? So you make it smoother, you make it clearer. Okay. Now, what are the types of conjunctions? So there are three types of conjunctions if we talk about them. First one is coordinating conjunction. So the first type of conjunction is coordinating conjunction. So what are conjunctions? That part should be clear, okay? Conjunctions are certain words that we use to join words, sentences, phrases, clauses, ideas. So they are the joining words or the connecting words. Someone had told in the comment section that they are the connecting words. So conjunctions like nouns are known as naming words, verbs are known as action words. Similarly, conjunctions are also known as connecting words or joining words. Okay? How many types of conjunctions are there? There are three types of conjunctions. Okay? The first one is coordinating conjunction. The first one is coordinating conjunction. Ma'am, so only and but are not the conjunctions. No, baby. Only and but are not the conjunctions. They are only the tip of the iceberg. So, coordinating conjunctions, this is the first type. Second one is subordinating conjunctions. subordinating conjunctions. Then there is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. These are the three types of conjunctions, right? But we are grade 4 students, so we won't be, bothered about all the three types. We will only be bothered about this first type, the coordinating conjunctions. We will be only bothered about the coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Now, what are the coordinating conjunctions? What are the coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are the single conjunctions which give importance to both the ideas or both the phrases that you are joining. And there are 7 such coordinating conjunctions. How many coordinating conjunctions are there? There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. Okay? What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions that come in single. There are conjunctions that come in pair. Two conjunctions together they come. So there are conjunctions that come in pair. But coordinating conjunction, they come single. Okay? They do not have friends. We use only one coordinating conjunction in to join sentences. Okay? So they come one in like while we use them to join sentences, and um, they give importance to both the sentences or both the ideas that they are joining. Like when I say that I am late, let's not go with this. Let me go with some other example. When I say, simple one, I like to swim, but my mom doesn't allow me to go near the water. Now, what is happening in this sentence? We are using one single conjunction, but, and we are joining two sentences. The first one is I like to swim, and the second one is my mom doesn't allow me to go near the water, right? We are joining these two sentences, and both the sentences are important. I like to swim. This sentence is also important. My mom doesn't allow me to go near the water. This sentence is also important. Okay. So when you are using coordinating conjunctions, you put enough, enough importance on both the sentences that you are joining. So that is about coordinating conjunctions. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions, and you use a shortcut, an acronym. You use or you remember an acronym to remember these coordinating conjunctions. What is the acronym? Acronym as in the short form. It is fanboys. I am sure you have heard this term, fanboys. Fanboys. All these letters in this word, what is the meaning of fanboys? There is no such meaning of fanboys. But all the letters in this word fanboys, they stand for one, each of the letters, they stand for one coordinating conjunctions. So, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 letters, and these 7 letters, they stand for 7 coordinating conjunctions. So, how many coordinating conjunctions are there? There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. Now, F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, not because, but. O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so. These are the 7 coordinating conjunctions. You remember the word fanboys? F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so. If you remember the acronym, you will be able to remember all the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Take fanboys is tricky, but it is the easiest way to remember. Like, that is the trick. That fanboys is the trick to remember all the coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. She's cute but rude also. Um, I'll come to it. Okay. Okay. Now, when do you use for? You use for when you are giving a reason, right? So, in cases where you use because, instead of using because, you can use for also, right? Like someone said, I am late because I was sleeping. So, that sentence can also be written as I am late for I was sleeping. So this for, it can be used instead of because. It gives us a reason why something has not happened or why something has happened. Okay. So for gives us the reason. But then if I say that, ma'am, if I say this sentence, I have brought this pen for my teacher. If I give this sentence, then ma'am, in this sentence also for is a conjunction. No, in this sentence, for is not a conjunction. So for can be used in different meanings, right? So I have brought this pen for my teacher means teacher के लिए ये pen मैंने लाया है, right? So you are saying that you have brought the pen for your teacher. You are not joining two sentences. You are not joining two ideas. Okay. What you are doing in this sentence is you are joining two ideas. Okay. So wherever in the sentence you see for, you don't read, you just close your eyes and you identify it as coordinating conjunction. That should not be the case. अब for देखते ही उसको coordinating conjunction में नहीं डाल सकते. For अलग मीनिंग में भी यूज होता है. लाइक किसी के लिए आपने कुछ किया है, किसी के लिए आपने कुछ लाया है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो यू यूज फॉर. आप कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन तभी बोलोगे जब फॉर यूज हो रहा है दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. ठीक है. दिस यू विल हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ओके. दैट फॉर यू, व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग फॉर टू ज्वाइन टू सेंटेंसेस, only that time for is being used as a coordinating conjunction. Conjunction का एक और चीज याद रखना, conjunction joins two simple sentences. Simple sentence, compound sentence, there are many types of sentences, right? So conjunctions, they join two simple sentences. देखो, I am late is a simple sentence, I was sleeping is a simple sentence. They conjunctions join them and make them complex sentences. ठीक है. दो simple sentence को join करके complex sentence बनाता है conjunction. ठीक है. Okay, so first one is for. You are using for in the meaning of because. कोई reason जब आप बता रहे हो. And also it joins two similar sentence ideas. Similar idea जैसे कि I like to play cricket. I like to play football. So what is happening in both the sentences? In both the sentences, we are talking about the same kind of idea. both the sentences are talking about what we love to play or what I like to play, right? So in this case we will use and. I like to play cricket and football, ऐसे हम लिख सकेंगे, ठीक है? But my if both the sentences are not of the same meaning, like if I say I like to play cricket and the other sentence is I don't like to play football, if the sentence is of this kind, then you can't use and. What is happening here? One is in positive like and the other one is in negative don't like. So जब ये positive negative वाला combination आएगा, in that case you will have to use but. I like to play cricket but I don't like to play football, ठीक है? But अगर दोनों ही है positive positive, दोनों ही पॉजिटिव का बात हो रहा है, इन दैट केस यू विल बी एबल टू जॉइन द सेंटेंसेस विथ एंड, ठीक है? तो सिमिलर आइडिया, पॉजिटिव आइडिया को ज्वाइन करने के लिए वी यूज एंड. Positive and negative idea, if you are like if you will have to join, then you will have to use but, ठीक है? Very small differences are there, so we will have to pay some attention. Now look at this idea. She wanted to go home and so did he. So she wanted to go home, he also wanted to go home, ठीक है? Similar idea, दोनों को ही घर जाना था. She also wanted to go home and he also wanted to go home. That's why we have joined them with and. She wanted to go home and so did he. Okay. Next comes nor. Nor is used in the negative form of or. Like what I said during and is both are positive, right? When I asked you to join with and, I said both the ideas are positive ideas. What happens in nor is both the ideas are negative ideas. Both the ideas, it's not one positive, one negative. Both the ideas are in negative. Okay, so the teacher didn't like coffee nor did she like tea. इसका मतलब क्या है? The teacher didn't like coffee. She didn't like tea. So the teacher didn't like coffee. She neither liked tea. दोनों ही उनको पसंद नहीं था. So both are in negative. Both are in negative. So when you are joining two negative ideas, you will have to use nor. This could also be written as the teacher neither liked coffee nor tea. We could have written in that way also, but then neither nor, they are correlative conjunctions. They are not coordinating conjunction. When you are using coordinating conjunction, it's only nor. Okay. If you are using this pair neither nor, this is correlative conjunction because this comes with pair. Because this comes in pair, right? ये दोनों एक साथ आते हैं, ये दोनों दोस्त है. लेकिन nor जब अकेले यूज होगा, then it will be identified as coordinating conjunction. ठीक है? तो the teacher didn't like coffee. अगर मैं nor को अकेले यूज करूंगी तो मैं neither को नहीं यूज करना चाहती हूँ. The teacher didn't like coffee, nor did she like tea. तो मैम if I use nor, can I write nor didn't she like tea? No. अगर यहाँ आपने nor यूज किया तो यहाँ और didn't लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This will become positive, ठीक है? क्योंकि यहाँ आपने already negative यूज कर लिया है. So the teacher didn't like coffee, nor did she like tea. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? The teacher didn't like coffee. टीचर को कॉफी भी नहीं पसंद, टी भी नहीं पसंद. ठीक है? दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं पसंद. So negative idea के लिए, joining के लिए nor यूज करना है. Okay, next is but. but as I already told you that it shows contrast. एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव आइडिया को ज्वाइन करने के लिए आपको but यूज करना है. grandma enjoyed the ballet but I didn't. तो इसको अगर मैं तोड़ूंगी, how it will be? grandma enjoyed the ballet, full stop. I didn't enjoy the ballet. I didn't enjoy the ballet. Right? So one is in positive, grandma enjoyed, this is positive idea. I didn't enjoy, this is negative idea. So when you are joining one positive and one negative idea, you are using but. Easy? Okay, let's see what is the next one. Or is used when you are having options. When someone is giving you option, you want to do the English class or you want to do the science class. So someone is giving you option कि आप English class करना चाहते हो कि आपको science class करना है. So when you are being given options, you use or in such cases. Like say this gives choice, right? Gives a choice, options. Options are given. Do you want to go to the movies or the zoo? So I have two options. मैं या तो मूवी में जा सकती हूँ या तो जू में जा सकती हूँ. तो जब ऑप्शंस दिया जा रहा है मुझे, इन दैट केस आई विल हैव टू जॉइन देम विथ और. अच्छा, अगर ज्वाइन नहीं करते, अगर सेपरेटली लिखते तो कैसे लिखते? डू यू वांट टू गो टू द मूवी. एक और सेंटेंस ऐसा बनता, डू यू वांट टू गो टू द जू. ठीक है, तो फिर ये दो सेंटेंस बनता, डू यू वांट टू गो टू द मूवी, डू यू वांट टू गो टू द जू. तो दो ऑप्शंस है. व्हेन आई एम जॉइनिंग द सेंटेंसेस आई विल मेक इट डू यू वांट टू गो टू द मूवी और द जू. ठीक है, सो व्हेन ऑप्शंस आर बीइंग गिवन यू विल बी यूजिंग और. ठीक, ओके. Yes. Do you want to drink coffee or tea? Do you want to drink coffee or tea? Yes. Very good. Okay. I am looking at the chat box, comment box, and I can see there are many types of chats. But yes, those who are putting their opinion or views related to the topic, I am looking at them. Okay. Don't think that I'm not reading the chats. Do you want to go to Kanyakumari or Rameshwaram? Yes. Okay. Now let's come to yet. Gives a contrast. Yet is also used same in the same context as in but. Okay. Yet and but, they are mostly used in the same context. Okay. So I don't like tomatoes, yet I love ketchup. So I don't like to eat tomatoes, yet I love ketchup. मुझे tomatoes नहीं पसंद, but मुझे ketchup पसंद है, right? So if I would have used but, the sentence would have been the same like meaning. I don't like tomatoes, but I love ketchup, right? So जहाँ पे आप tomatoes, जहाँ पे आप contrast ideas के बात कर रहे हो, वही positive negative का joining, positive negative ideas का joining जहाँ पे आप कर रहे हो, वहां पे आप yet भी यूज कर सकते हो, but भी यूज कर सकते हो. It's the same thing. ठीक है. अच्छा, and the last one is so. So shows cause and effect, right? The grass was brown, so I turned the sprinkler on. What is a sprinkler? Any idea what is a sprinkler? A sprinkler is like it is used to sprinkle water on the plants, right? To water the plants. A sprinkler is used to water the plants. Okay. So the grass was brown. ग्रास ब्राउन हो चुका था, एज इन ड्राई हो चुका था, सो आई टर्न्ड द स्प्रिंकलर ऑन, इसीलिए मैंने स्प्रिंकलर को ऑन किया. नाउ कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. कॉज क्या था कि ग्रास ब्राउन हो चुका था, द ग्रास वाज ब्राउन. उसके इफेक्ट में मैंने क्या किया, सो आई टर्न्ड द स्प्रिंकलर ऑन, आई टर्न्ड द स्प्रिंकलर ऑन. दिस इज द इफेक्ट. I will give you one more example. It was raining. It was raining. So I couldn't go to school. अच्छा, आप एक चीज बता सकते हो कि मैम ये सेंटेंस तो मैं बिकॉज देके भी या फॉर देके भी तो लिख सकती हूँ. लाइक आई couldn't go to school because it was raining. Right? Yes. Sprinkler is used to water the plants, right? Acha. Now you can say that, ma'am, I can say the same sentence using because. Yes, but what the catch is, when you are using so, you are mentioning the cause first and then the effect. Cause, reason. मेरा स्कूल ना जाने का रीजन क्या है? रीजन है कि बारिश हो रहा था, राइट? तो आप रीजन को पहले बता रहे हो, इफेक्ट को बाद में बता रहे हो, when you are using so. But when you are using because, what you are doing, you are telling the effect first and you are telling about the cause afterwards. ठीक है? तो ये अरेंजमेंट थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. Excuse me. If you are using so, you are telling the cause first and then the effect. If you are using because, you are telling the effect first and then the cause. So that is how the structure of the sentence is different in both the cases. Otherwise, दोनों same है. दोनों ही cause and effect का बात बोलता है. एक में cause पहले आता है, effect बाद में आता है. एक में effect पहले आ जाता है, cause बाद में आता है. ठीक है? So that's all about all the 7 coordinating conjunctions. ठीक है? Now we will be discussing the questions that are important for your Olympiad exam, and if there will be some more conjunctions that we will be discussing while discussing the questions. ठीक है? चलो. Now that's your first question on the screen. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate conjunctions. Tell me the answer of number 1. Sam went to the shop. Sam went to the shop, dash purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop, dash purchased gifts for his friend. Your options are when. Sam went to the shop when purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop and purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop, so purchased gifts for his friend. Sam went to the shop while purchased gifts for his friend. Question number 1. Question number 1, option number B is correct, right? Question number 1, option number B is correct because the similar ideas and the positive ideas that we had discussed. Sam went to the shop. Positive idea. He purchased gifts for his friend. This is also a positive idea. So 2 positive ideas you are joining with and. Sam went to the shop and purchased his gifts for his friend. If it would have been like this, that Sam went to the shop, he didn't purchase any gift for his friend. If it would have been like this, then you would have joined with but. Sam went to the shop, but he didn't purchase any gift for his friend. Why? Because these are contrasting ideas. One is a positive idea and the other one is a negative idea. Okay? Okay. Chalo, let's move on to question number 2. I can see you have already given the answer. I will have my lunch dash I reach home. I will have my lunch after I reach home. Now this is not a coordinating conjunction. I will have my lunch after I reach home. This is subordinating conjunction. But what does it mean? कि मैं घर जाऊंगा उसके बाद ही मैं lunch खाऊंगा. So I will have my lunch after I reach home. Number 3, Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. So what will we use here? Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. Question number 3. Options are as. Option A is as. Option B is then. Option C is than. Option D is that. Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. So Sheena is very weak. That is the reason she cannot walk properly. We could have also written this sentence in this way. Sheena is very weak, comma, so she cannot walk properly. I could have framed it in this way also, that Sheena cannot walk properly because Sheena is very weak. But here what am I saying? I am saying Sheena is so weak. This so weak means Sheena is very weak. Okay. So Sheena is so weak that she cannot walk properly. Now is so a coordinating conjunction here? No. In this sentence, so is not a coordinating conjunction. In this sentence, so and that, they come in a pair. They come in a pair. Okay. So and that, they have made friends and they have come together. And this is known as correlative conjunction. This is known as correlative conjunction. Why is it known as correlative conjunction? Because these two conjunctions, they are related to each other. As in, these two sentences, they are related to each other. One sentence is dependent on the other sentence. I cannot just say she cannot walk properly. If I say only she cannot walk properly, there will always be this question that why? Why can't she walk properly? So this she cannot walk properly, this part is related to that part, that Sheena is very weak, right? So that is why this is known as a correlative conjunction, because so and that, they are related to each other. Okay, there are many other pairs. If we get other pairs while discussing the questions, I will tell you. Okay. Okay. One more thing that I would like to mention over here. You always use a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Okay? It's not important for your Olympiad exam because there you will only choose the correct options. But you should know this, that before the coordinating conjunctions, you always use a comma. So be it and, be it but, be it so, be it for, be it yet, whatever coordinating conjunction it is, coordinating. I'm not talking about subordinating or correlative. The fanboys, those 7 coordinating conjunctions, before those coordinating conjunctions, you always use comma. Okay? Remember this. So Sam went to the shop. Here there should be a comma. Sam went to the shop, comma, and purchased gifts for his friend. Okay? Okay, chalo, let's move on. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Be careful, dash you will fall. Be careful, dash you will fall. Be careful, dash you will fall. Question number 4. Question number 4. Be careful, but you will fall. Be careful while you will fall. Be careful, nor you will fall. Be careful, or you will fall. Or, okay. So you will have to be careful or you will fall, right? So like options. You should be careful. Your one option is that you should be careful. Your other option is you don't be careful. You be careless and then you fall down. Isn't it? Okay. Here also comma should be there. Be careful, comma, or you will fall. Okay. Come to question number 5. Our team played well. Dash, we could not win the match. Our team played well. Dash, we could not win the match. Still and since so. Our team played well. Still we couldn't win the match. Our team played well and we couldn't win the match. Our team played well since we could not win the match. Our team played well, so we couldn't win the match. Question number 5A. Question number 5A. Our team played well. Still, we could not win the match. So, team played well, but still, we could not win the match. Okay, come to question number 6. I didn't go to school. I was not well. I didn't go to school. I was not well. So, I didn't go to school. Still, I was not well. I didn't go to school, so I was not well. I didn't go to school as I was not well. And I didn't go to school, then I was not well. Question number 6, C. So, as is being used as for or because. I could have used I didn't go to school for I was not well. I couldn't go to school because I was not well. As is used as for or because. Right? Okay. Let's come to question number 7. All the shops were closed. Dash, we reached the market late. All the shops were closed. Dash, we reached the market late. All the shops were closed because we reached the market late. All the shops were closed and we reached the market late. All the shops were closed, but we reached the market late. All the shops were closed that we reached the market late. Question number 7. Question number 7. All the shops were closed because we reached the market late. Very good. So all the shops were closed because we reached the market late. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 8. Ronnie studies a lot. Dash, he wants to score well. Ronnie studies a lot. Dash, he wants to score well. Option number A is but. Option number B is still. Option number C is since. Option number D is then. Ronnie studies a lot. Dash, he wants to score well. Question number 8. Ronnie studies a lot. Some of you are saying 8B. Ronnie studies a lot. Still he wants to score well. No. 8B is not correct. 8A, B or C. You will have to tell me the correct one. Ronnie studies a lot since he wants to score well. Ronnie studies a lot since he wants to score well. Here since is used as for or because. Any of these conjunctions we could use in this blank. Ronnie studies a lot because he wants to score well. Why does Ronnie study a lot? He studies a lot because he wants to score well. Okay, come to question number 9. Our exams are near. dash we must study seriously. So our exams are near, so we must study seriously. Our exams are near, as we must study seriously. Our exams are near and we must study seriously. Our exams are near, but we must study seriously. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9A. So, okay. Question number 9A. Our exams are near, so we must study seriously. Very good. Come to question number 10. I don't like eggs, dash I eat them. I don't like eggs, yet I eat them. I don't like eggs or I eat them. I don't like eggs, so I eat them. I don't like eggs as I eat them. Which one is correct? Question number 10. 10A, right? Yet it could have also, like we could have also used but. I don't like eggs, yet I eat them. पसंद नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी हम खाते हैं. Very good. So we have already completed 10 questions. Good job. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now shall we move on to question number 11? Shall we move on to question number 11? Yes? Okay? Okay. Let's move on to question number 11. Choose the sentence with the correct use of conjunction. So there are 4 options, and in the 4 options there are 4 different sentences written. You will have to identify which sentence is correctly written. Although Rehan, question number 11A. Although Rehan ran fast, he missed the metro. Question that is A. B. Rehan ran fast, he although missed the metro. This is the metro. Option number C. Rehan although ran fast, he missed the metro. Option number D. All of these. So all of these are correct. All of these mean A, B, C, all the options are correct. So you will have to choose which one is the correct option. Question number 11A is the correct option. Although Rehan ran fast, he missed the metro. In the other sentences, this is not used in the correct position. Although this word is not used in the correct position, right? Okay, let's go to question number 12. Option number A, they will serve desserts with, we have our dinner. Option number B, they will serve desserts that we have our dinner. Option number C, they will serve desserts after we have our dinner. Option number D, they will serve desserts so we have our dinner. Tell me which one is correct option in question number 12. Question number 12, C is correct. They will serve desserts after we have our dinner, right? Desserts here means sweet dish. Dessert over here means sweet dish. We all love to have something sweet after our lunch or after our dinner, right? I to love it a lot. I don't know you guys love it or not, but I love to have something sweet after my meals. So they will serve desserts after we have our dinner. First we will complete having our dinner, then they will be serving desserts. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 13. 13A. Little Johnny could not play as it was raining. Option B. As it was raining, little Johnny could not play. Option C. Both A and B are correct. Option D. None of these are correct. This is a tricky question. Read it properly and then tell me the answer. Little Johnny could not play as it was raining. As it was raining, little Johnny could not play. Question number 13 we are talking about. 13C is correct. Very good. So both A and B are correct. Though the structure of the sentence is different, little Johnny could not play as it was raining. This is correct, obviously. What is happening in sentence number B is this as it was raining part is brought before and then they have used a comma. So the cause is written before and the effect is written afterwards. In the above sentence, in option number A, the effect was written before and the cause was written afterwards. Both the way we can write, so both are correct, right? And we will go for both A and B. Okay? Okay. Let's go to question number 14. Question number 14. 14A. The teacher knew that we were talking. 14B. The teacher knew, but we were talking. The teacher, option number C, the teacher knew, so we were talking. Option number D, the teacher knew or we were talking. Which option is correct? Question number 14. 14A, the teacher knew that we were talking. So that is your correct option. Teacher को पता था कि हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. All the other option, these conjunctions cannot be used. ठीक है? Okay. Let's go to question number 15. Let's go to question number 15. 15 option A, it's the continuation of the same instruction. You will have to choose the sentence where the conjunction is used properly. So 15A, this is an expensive, so useful gift. Option number B, this is an expensive, that useful gift. Option number C, this is an expensive but useful gift. Option D, both B and C are correct. Read the sentences very carefully, because if you don't try to understand the meaning of the sentence, then you will be confused and it might look to you that all the options are correct, right? अगर ध्यान से sentences को पढ़ेंगे नहीं and समझने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि सारे ऑप्शन सही है ना? फिर जल्दबाजी में कोई एक गलत शलत ऑप्शन को आप सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे. इसलिए ध्यान से पढ़ना है and then you will have to choose the correct option. ठीक है? Choose करो correct option. This is for question number 15. Someone is saying B and C both are correct. So B says this is an expensive, that useful gift. This doesn't make sense, Baba. This doesn't make sense. This is an expensive, that useful gift का क्या मतलब होगा? ये कोई मतलब नहीं होता. Option C is your correct option. This is an expensive but useful gift. ये expensive है लेकिन useful है ये gift. Expensive gifts, हम कोई भी चीज एक्सपेंसिव नहीं खरीदना चाहते हैं. अब अगर कोई चीज एक्सपेंसिव है लेकिन यूजफुल है तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, राइट? क्योंकि हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. सेंटेंस के मतलब को समझना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज एन एक्सपेंसिव बट यूजफुल गिफ्ट. ठीक है? ओके, लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Let's come to question number 16. The child was crying, so he had lost his toy. So he had lost his toy. The child was crying, but he had lost his toy. The child was crying because he had lost his toy. Option D, the child was crying if he had lost his toy. Conjunctions को मैंने circle कर दिया. I have circled the conjunctions so that it is easier for you to understand the meaning, the expression of the sentence. This is question number 16. This is question number 16. C is your correct answer. The child was crying. The child was crying because he had lost his toy. बच्चा क्यों रो रहा था? क्योंकि उसका toy गायब हो गया था. So that is why the child was crying. ठीक है? Okay. Let's come to question number 17. I shall not help you, but you listen to me. I shall not help you unless you listen to me. I shall not help you that you listen to me. I shall not help you and you listen to me. Tell me which one is the correct option for question number 17. Question number 17, B is your correct option. Very good. I shall not help you unless you listen to me. मैं आपका हेल्प नहीं करूंगी जब तक आप मेरा बात नहीं सुनेंगे. So I shall not help you unless you listen to me. Very good. Come to question number 18. If it rains, we shall dance. It rains because we shall dance. It rains but we shall dance. None of these. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. None of these is not your correct option. 18A is your correct option. If it rains, we shall dance. अगर बारिश होगा तो हम डांस करेंगे. That is your correct option. Okay, let's come to question number 19. The instruction has changed over here. Pay attention to the instruction. Combine the two given sentences with appropriate conjunctions. So, two sentences are given. You will have to join the sentences with the correct conjunction. Okay? So, the first one is, I didn't attend the party. Comma is given. It should have been full stop. I didn't attend the party. I was ill. These are the two sentences that are given. Now, option number A, how will you join and which one should be your correct answer after joining? I didn't attend the party because I was ill. I didn't attend the party but I was ill. I didn't attend the party so I was ill. I didn't attend the party and I was ill. Which one is the correct option? Question number 19. 19A. 19A. I didn't attend the party because I was ill. I was ill. Cause and effect, right? Okay. Come to question number 20. Two sentences. Amit is reading. Sham is reading. Two similar ideas you will have to join. Two similar ideas you will have to join. Now option A says Amit and Sham are reading. These questions are very interesting. Option B says Amit or Sham are reading. Option C says Amit but Sham are reading. Option D says Amit because Sham are reading. Question number 28, it's very easy. Amit and Sham both are reading. Amit and Sham are reading. Okay. Question number 21. I made clay toys dash I was in nursery. So you will have to choose the correct conjunction. I made clay toys dash I was in nursery. I made clay toys when I was in nursery. I made clay toys then I was in nursery. I made clay toys and I was in nursery. I made clay toys also I was in nursery. Question number 21. 21A. I made clay toys when I was in nursery. जब मैं नर्सरी में था तब मैं clay toys बनाता था. That one is your correct option. Okay. Question number 22. Dash heavy rains, they played football. Despite heavy rains, they played football. Although heavy rains, they played football. Because heavy rains, they played football. So heavy rains, they played football. Choose the correct option. Question number 22. Question number 22. No, 22 we will go with A. Despite heavy rains. बहुत बारिश हो रहा था लेकिन फिर भी ये लोग फुटबॉल खेले. Excuse me. बहुत बारिश हो रहा था फिर भी ये लोग फुटबॉल खेले. ठीक है. If the sentence would have been there was heavy rain, then we could have used although. Although there was heavy rains, they still played football. But in this case, you can't use although. Okay. Come to question number 23. I am sorry, dash, I haven't finished my work. So you will have to use a pair. You will have to use a combination of two correct conjunctions. I am sorry and I haven't finished my work. So I am sorry because I haven't finished my work, and I am sorry but I haven't finished my work yet. I am sorry so I haven't finished my work But this is your last question for today's class. Question number 23. Huh. So you can tell me here that, ma'am, you said that yet and but are used in the same case, right? I told you that. But in this sentence, what is happening? I am sorry, but I haven't finished my work yet. Why am I using yet in this case? I am using yet in this case to make you understand that अभी तक मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, इसलिए आई एम सॉरी, लेकिन मेरा काम अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? सो this yet is not used in case of contrast, but this is meaning the time, ठीक है? अभी तक मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Okay, so congratulations, you have completed 23 questions, and that's all for today. You can leave the class as of now, but revise the topic conjunctions that we have discussed today. Okay? If there will be any doubt, you can ask me or Sheila ma'am in the next class. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.